Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I need to put about capital A over s minus 4 and capital B over s minus 10. Later that we do common denominator. So that means this one is missing about s minus 10. So we need to multiply by s minus 10 in here. About this one, that is missing about s minus 4. So we need to multiply by s minus 4 in here. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the number, we have negative number 10 multiplied by a and negative 4b. So we just have only 30s. We have s in here. So a plus b equals to number 30. Because we don't have the number in here, so this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. You got about negative number 20 in here. And this one we will have 50. Now we need to put the number negative number 20 and number 50 go in here. So I will put negative number 20 in here and number 50 go in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.